rugs that were done by the Ozark Mountain Rug Hookers. They're not for sale, they're just for show. Beautiful stuff.
Gillette. I started hooking in 2014 and just really has taken over my life. I love doing it. It's so much fun. I've designed a few patterns and I buy lots of wool, and I'm located in Nixa, Missouri. We're just about 10 miles south of Springfield. So give me a call. It's called Black Train Antiques and Wool.
Do you have a Facebook page or a web page at all?
No, I don't.
No? Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I have Georgeville store on Facebook.
Georgeville?
Georgeville, that's my shop.
Okay.
It's an old building that was a dry goods store. It was established in 1867. I bought it 11 years ago and turned it into a shop, a rug hooking shop, fiber art. And these are my rugs. So I have everything to make a rug with.
So you don't sell your rugs?
No, I do not sell my rugs.
Okay, but you do sell the stuff that goes to make rugs. Yeah.
Yes.
So where are you located?
I am 60 miles north of Kansas City,
Okay.
in Cowgill, Missouri.
All right. Cool. Well, thank you for...
Thank you. I sold this, and I wish I had it.
How much did you sell it for?
A lot.
A lot?
It had to have been a lot.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they aren't cheap to make.
Well,
And they take so much time.
well, yes. And I have all the wool to make it again. And I just finished this one. I want my oath. But I'm doing a border.
My name is Dawn Shuck. The name of my company is So Cherished, and I have wool applique, hand-dyed wool, as well as punch needle supplies. And this is called Smart Punch, the needle that I designed. And you just, it comes with two different needles, a medium and a large needle. And then it also has 5 different loop height settings. I've designed it so that it's ergonomically friendly so that you can punch for longer periods of time. So I've got 2 strands of Aldani 12-weight pearl cotton loaded in my needle, and I just punch up and down into the fabric, and it's going to create loops on the underside. And that's actually what is creating the design. This is what the design will look like on the front.
Okay. Okay, and what else do you sell besides those?
Well, I have the frames that those come on. Part of being successful at punch needle is making sure that you have a frame that's going to keep your fabric nice and tight. So I use these gripper frames, and that's what this is. Of course, it comes with a needle. And then I've got several punch needle designs. This is the one that's really popular right here. And then the rest of these are all just good examples of my wool applique. The newest designs that I have are the fish. These have punched bodies with the fin and tails being made out of wood. All right, these are cherry wood. And then they're also available in a bigger size for the hooked version. And these will have walnut fin and tail sets to go with those.
And what's your website?
It is socherish.com.
Very good.
business.
Okay, I'm Kathy Wagner, and I have Hooks and Loops Primitive Rug Cooking, and I'm located in my home in Webb City, Missouri. And I teach beginner classes, and I have 2 satellite areas that I go to. I go to Pittsburgh, Kansas, to the Crawford County Historical Museum, and I teach classes there. And I go to Columbus to the Red Iron Community Center, teach there. On Thursdays in my home, I have open cooking, and I have wools. I have punch needle, applique, wool, and every Thursday in my home, I have open cooking in my home.
Okay. Do you have a website or?
I have a Facebook page, which
Okay.
is Hooks and Loops Primitive Rug Cooking, and I have a group,
Okay. Cool.
Hooks and Loops, and they can contact me through there.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
And this is what you're working on
Yes,
currently.
it is. This is one of my beginner patterns that we're working on. This is called Button Eye Cat. This artist is Pauline McGowan, and she is from Canada. And she lets me use her drawings for beginner patterns.
Transfer the stuff from, like, if somebody gives you a pattern, how do you go about transferring
I
it?
have a light table.
And so you put the
Uh-huh.
picture down and then the material on top and trace on top of that.
Yes. And I have linen, and I can help you transfer. I also sell frames. I have floor stands and table frames, and then I have a beginner frame.
Do you have those on your Facebook page? Or?
No, I don't sell anything on my Facebook page. I
Okay,
do it
so
all
you,
locally. I've never sold over the internet yet.
okay.
So, yeah,
So you have to go to your store to get it.
yeah.
Okay. Thank
And
you.
I'm located in Webb City, Missouri.
Webb City.
Yeah.
Where's Webb City?
By Joplin.
Joplin. Oh, that's not too far away from me.
Where are you at?
Springfield.
Okay. Yeah.
Not too bad. Okay, thank you. Okay, tell me your name
Anita White.
and what's your business's name?
My business name is Southern Comfort.
Southern Comfort. And you,
I have a shop. I have a shop in an antique store in Greenwood. I do sell antiques and other items, a lot of rugs and stuff.
where is Greenwood at?
It's on 401 West Main on 150 Highway in Greenwood. So basically,
Is it-
south of Lee Summit.
South of Lee Summit.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
I've got one of those cards. I'll
Okay.
put a picture of the card in there with it. That's really cool.
this one has got Paisley hooked into it. Oftentimes I don't do the whole rug in Paisley, but I use it for accents in the rug.
Really cool. It's beautiful work.
The Paisley bright color one down there was in rug on the cover of Rugby Night
Oh, really?
last one.
I saw that one.
It's a Carla Gerard pattern. She sells paper patterns on eBay.
It was in Rug Cooking Magazine.
On the cover, yeah. An article by Tammy Pavich.
That is so cool. And then you've got all this wool that you sell.
Yes. Rock and roll. Paisley. Which I make them, you know, hooks and tape and all that.
Patterns that are already pre-printed.
Hi. I'm going to be teaching Paisley patterns like the 2 that are hanging over there.
In
But they
Grapevine,
can do 'em.
Texas.
Grapevine, Texas. They can do it that size, or they can double it so that it makes a rug. And most of the students that I've talked to and have signed up for the class are doing it double, so that the circles meet in the center, and then so what you see there is flipped and goes the other direction.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Sheila Burks. I own Fiona's Fibers in Billings, Missouri, 167 Northwest Washington Street. I'm open Fridays and Saturdays typically. I sell wool, we sell wood items, I sell fiber for needle felting, I sell some homespuns, we do classes. What else is there? I've got a little bit of wackadoodle yarn for Oxford Punch. I've got the devices for that.
Do you have a website or a Facebook page?
Facebook page, and the Facebook page is Fiona's Fibers, Homespuns, and More. And it's a private group, so there's 3 questions to ask on that to get into the group. And that's just to keep spammers out.
Yeah, I
You know,
understand
but yes, that's my Facebook, and that's where I post everything. Classes we're gonna have, if I'm gonna be closed because I'm at an event like this, or if I'm gonna have a special day that I'm open. You know.
that. Okay, well, I'm just gonna do a span
Absolutely.
of some of the things that you sell. I take it you do sell patterns.
I do, yes. Pattern, Eldani thread. I've got Eldani thread. We do punch needles, so I have the Smart Punch, lap apps. I've got weaver's cloth by the yard.
How much is your weaver's cloth by the yard?
13.
And how wide is it?
I think it's 45. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Jan Adams. I have Adams Woolens. We're in Springfield, Missouri. A lot of over dyed, and I have Susan Kruger who draws a lot of my patterns, and they're around here. You'll see on the video.
Okay. Do you have a website?
I have an Etsy store, Abby's Rug Cooking Store, all one run together on Etsy.
Abby's Rug Cooking Store. Okay. Or a Facebook page too,
No,
or just
that's all I
Etsy?
have, yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, and you sell all kinds of hooks and wools and patterns. Come back and visit Ruth Ann's Designs in the future for other art postings.